I hope everyone is enjoying their food tonight. At habang kumakain kayo, we just like to offer this simple gift for the lovely couple. Sir Wilfred, Ma'am Lorena, this is for you po.
Wilfred and Lorena, every love story begins somewhere. It starts with the little things. And through it all, we've grown, learned, stumbled, and held on. We didn't expect to find each other that day. But fate had other plans. And with it came pain, loss, and sorrow. But life in its quiet grace led me to you, my home, my newfound forever.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request everyone to raise your glasses for a toast. To Sir Wilfred and Ma'am Lorena, may your journey be filled with much joy and happiness, and may your wedding day be filled with meaningful memories. Cheers, everyone!
Cheers. Oh, no. Okay, sige.
Hello.
I'm okay ka lang?
Actually, no, I'm not.
Hello? Yes, andito na ako. Dito ko na lang kayo hintayin sa labas. I'll make sure she won't be able to run away from what's going to happen.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako tumawag sa'yo just to tell you that I'm not okay. Sorry, ang gulo ko.
Gusto mo usap muna tayo? O kung ayaw mo, hindi ako magsasalita. Makikinig lang ako.
I don't know. I just can't help but feel sad nang nakita ko yung picture ni Mom. Bigla ko siyang na-miss. But don't get me wrong, okay? I'm happy for Dad and Tita Mommy. No offense kay Tita Mommy, like, really. Pero syempre,
Iba yung pakiramdam kapag totoong nanay. Gets ko yung pakiramdam na mawala ng totoong nanay. Hindi yan mapupunan ng kahit sino o kahit ano.
Enjoy your last minutes of happiness and peace, Lorena. Bilang na ang oras. The evil queen is coming. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
is that Tita Ronnie?
Tears of joy?
Hindi na ako makapaniwala. Parang hindi totoo. Parang hindi ko deserve.
Wala na. You deserve this.
Hi! Is this the time for well wishes?
Gusto ko kasi sana ako yung unang magsasalita. Content disclaimer lang though. This is not your usual speech or tribute. This is more of a warning. Or wait, this is more of an announcement. An earth-shattering announcement.
Ronnie, ano na naman to?
Trust me, Will. Gugustuhin mong marinig yung sasabihin ko. Ronnie. Alam niyo guys, huwag na natin paabutin dun sa part ng wedding na nagtatanong pa yung priest kung may tututol ba. Gawin na lang natin ngayon. Right here, right now. Right?
Hindi ka pa rin nagbago, no? Sinabi ko na nga, be. Pumunta ka dito para manggulo. Leave. Before you embarrass yourself.
Well, hindi mo pwedeng pakasalan yung babaeng yan. Because she's a fake! An imposter! pretender!
Ronnie, stop this.
Paano? Pangalan mo lang ng babaeng yan, peke na. Hindi naman Lorena Herrera yung totoong pangalan yan eh. She's not other than Carolina Astor.
The person who killed my wife just vanished? Hanggang ngayon, hindi siya nakikita?
Sir, magaling magtago yung Carolina Astor.
I said stop this! Tigilan mo na kasi sinungalingan mo, Ronnie. Sa tingin mo maniniwala pa rin ako sa'yo? Leave! Now!
Alam ko namang hindi ka kaagad maniniwala sa akin. Dahil napakagaling magsinungaling at magmanipulate ng babaeng yan.
Kaya sa labas mag-usap.
Can you stop? Play video!
Hindi na ako magtataka kung yung Carol na yan ay nakapatay. Kalaki pong gulo nun sa resort namin. Sa amin po sa barangay. Oo, yung Carolina na yun ang prime suspect.
Kung makikita niyo ba siya mamumukan?
Siyempre!
Ito, sabi si Carolina, ito.
Siya nga po.
Sigurado kayo?
Ay, opo.
There! You heard it? Si Lorena Herrera at Carolina Astor ay iisa.
She played you, Wilfred.
Ang babaeng pakakasalan mo ay ang babaeng pumatay sa asawa mo. Lorena killed Joy!
Kung hindi enough yung video na yan, here's Rhoda and Anna. Interviewin mo sila all you want. Para mahuli na yung Carolina Astor na yan.
Handa po kami.
Hulihin niyo si Carolina Astor!
Alam na nila na ako si Carolina Astor. Alam na ni Wilfred.
Malis ka na, bago ka pagutan ng mga pulis.
Ba't ka po umiiyak? May naaway po ba sa'yo?
Kahit anong mangyari, lagi mo tatandaan na mahal ka ni Nainay, ha?
Aalis po ba kayo?
Inaaresto ka sa salang pagpatay laban kay Jocelyn Adera Santos.
You fooled everyone. Wilfred, Amber, and the whole damn world, but not me! At finally, nandiyan ka na ako saan ka nararapat!
Hindi naman po